What's up, happy people? You're here again on Fish for Dinner. Today we're gonna head out to the Miramichi. It's morning time. We're around 8:30 here, and as you can see, I'm letting my dad do some work out here. He's out there doing a lot of work out there, so big thanks to him. I'm gonna be out there helping him in a second. I just kind of lazed around and kind of got up a little late, but we're gonna head out here soon, and we're gonna go do some fishing in Miramichi. We're gonna go to Big Rigs Tackle in Miramichi to go pick up some stuff. And yeah. Okay guys, we're heading out on the boat here. We got the boat all set up. We're about to go for the drive to go to Miramichi. And we'll be there soon, and we'll hopefully be catching some bass. Hey guys, you're here with Fish for Dinner, and we're at Big Rigs Tackle. They just set us up here with some nice shads and baits to use today, and they are located 2512 King George Highway. The best tackle and service for fishing in Miramichi. I highly suggest you go there. They will help you and figure out whatever you're looking for. So guys, we're here. We're at some rural school place that Big Rigs suggested to us. And we're gonna head out. We've seen some people catching stripers from shore, so it is looking good. I'll show over here, guys. There's a launch that we're gonna be launching at right here. If you guys can see that right there. And we're gonna head out there. So up further right now, it's really like strong waves. So we looked over here, and right here looks quite a bit calmer, so it looks like a good spot. I think we'll do fairly good today, and yeah. I got one.
Cool.
Got one.
Take your time. I got him near the boat. Mine was fighting right to the boat.
Got the first one on.
Fish on!
Yeah.
Fish on, baby! Shake, shake. Take your time. Don't make a rush. We're going anywhere.
Yeah. I got one. Got one.
it down, David.
Same, I'd already had a hit too. Same, I'd already had a hit too. I got one. Oh wait, no, it came off. Mine came off. Yeah.
We gotta keep her! Measure it, let's keep her. Woo!
Big, but I lost mine. I got one. There we go.
You hooked him good, dude. Yeah, you just try to give him a tail wag. Torpedo on him.
There he goes.
Usually this time of year.
I got one. It's a bit more of a fighter than the last one. small. Oh, I got my line out.
Yeah, already?
Yeah. Why don't you release them there? Well, I'll get a picture of the bigger one if I get one. Yeah.
Bring your rod towards the back of the boat.
I told you that we were catching them there.
Easy keep.
Miramichi. We had a nice day of striper fishing, and you know what we learned a lot about today? In the spring, early on when it's really cold, what the guys told us at Big Rigs, they like to sit at the bottom. So without them telling that, I don't think we would have caught a single striped bass today. So they big thanks for that, and they really helped us out, and we did fairly well today. I can't complain. First time on the boat, I think we did fairly well for first time in the boat. We never fished from that aluminum boat before. We never really did that in the Miramichi. We always did shore, which I actually really enjoyed the boat. It was a little cold out there now, but other than that, I think it was a really good day. And I'm hoping we'll be able to get there out there soon. Tomorrow it's supposed to snow. That's kind of crazy almost. Like it's like 10 degrees one day and it's snowing the next. Like who knows what could happen kind of. And stay tuned. We're going to be out there again soon. Striper season, we'll be out there lots. We'll be doing some trout fishing soon, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you next time. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that support. It really helps me a lot, especially knowing that you guys like to watch my videos. and not just are forcing yourself to watch them because I'm a kid. Just letting you know. So, see you next time. Thank you and bye.